Minnesota Online High School. In this video, you'll learn how to monitor your students' progress using your Observer account. First, you'll want to log in at minnos.blackboard.com. At the login screen, you'll see your username that begins with the word Observer. You should have received this information at the time of enrollment at Minnesota Online High School. But if you don't have it, you can contact the Minnos office manager or parent coordinator to request that information again. Once you've entered your username and password, click the login button to move on to the next screen. Once you log in, you'll see a list of all of the classes that your child is currently enrolled in. One of the first things you might want to do is access the parent dashboard underneath the Tools menu. The parent dashboard gives you a quick look at the recent activity of your child. This page shows you the last time your student accessed their classes. It does not tell you the grade or what work they have completed while they were logged in. To get more detail on that, click on the My Courses tab at the top of the screen. The My Courses tab gives you a list of the classes your student is enrolled in. To get to the progress in each class, you'll need to look into each individual course by clicking on the link. All courses have a similar setup. You'll be able to use the links on the left side of the page to find more information about the class and the teacher for each class. Under the Contact Your Teacher tab, you'll be able to see the teacher's email, phone number, and any other information about office hours or just general notes about the teacher. You'll be able to access syllabus information, getting started in the class information, and on the bottom you'll also be able to access tech support if you have any technical issues. You can also do that from the Minnos website. And finally, the My Progress link is where you will click to follow and find more information about your students' individual grades. After clicking into My Progress, you'll end up on the My Grades page. You'll see at the very top the current grade that you have for whatever week you're in. And to keep track of that, a really good way is to go to the Minnos website and click on the Calendar tab at the top of the page, and then click the School Year Pace Chart. And just make sure when you're looking at the pace chart that you're looking at the appropriate quarter and following that information, which will give you start dates, end dates, and other valuable information about whatever quarter you are in. Scrolling back into the My Grades page, you'll see specific grades on individual assignments. In addition to those grades, you can see teacher feedback by clicking on the icon bubbles. Teachers will regularly give feedback on assignments, explaining why your student received the grade they did, and providing suggestions for different improvements. Assignments are listed week by week, so you can keep track of what the assignments are due, and generally teachers have these in order based on the earliest week going down to the most recent. In addition to numeric scores, you might see a variety of symbols on the My Grades page. Assignments that have been submitted but not graded will have a green exclamation point on them. Assignments that have been started by your student but not yet submitted, you'll see this blue icon. Those might be good assignments to talk to your student about and check in on progress. And if assignment has been exempted by a teacher, you'll see this gray icon on the page. Any questions about your student grades should be submitted directly to the teacher. Again, you can find their contact information under the Contact Your Teacher link. Just remember that checking your student progress regularly and letting them know that you're doing it is a great way to help them succeed at Minnesota Online High School.